Welcome back to Better Kansas City. Now, we all want our pets to live forever, and something that often doesn't get a lot of attention when it comes to taking care of our pets is their teeth, which has a huge impact on their health. And we have professional dog trainer Geralyn Cada here with ways you can make sure to keep those teeth pearly white. So thank you for being here. And real quick, can you introduce us to our special guest on the show?
Bill, thank you for having me. And this is one of my favorite dogs, Casey Mo.
Casey Mo.
She belongs to me, yes.
We are so glad you are here. How important is it to you about good dental hygiene for your pet? And you always say that it's never too late to start, right?
It's never too late to start. Just like us, it's never too late to get onto a better dental hygiene program, human or animal. But the main thing about an animal is that their teeth have a different acidity level in their mouth.
Yeah.
So we think dogs don't get cavities, so we don't need to brush them.
Okay.
Well, we really do, because there's a direct link between dental health and heart health. And there are veins and arteries that run between the two, so if they get infections in their gum, it goes right to their heart and causes an infection in their heart.
So that's a trait that we kind of share, because I know there's a similar trait between humans, that if you have good dental hygiene, it can help with your heart issues, not help prevent it, but you have better heart health.
Correct.
While you have better dental hygiene. Okay.
And that lends to us living longer, and that lends to our pets living longer.
Sure.
So if you want your pet to live longer, then you should put a dental routine into your weekly schedule.
Yeah.
And if it's just weekly, that is a great start.
Still better than none at all, then, right?
Yes, better than none at all.
And what percentage of dogs would you say suffer from that periodontal disease that you're talking about?
Periodontal disease, it's about 1 in 3, actually it's 1 in 3 dogs actually suffers from that, which is terrible. That's 25% of all the dogs that I see, and I actually think it's a little higher than that, because I don't think that all of that data is actually recorded properly from owners.
So you say once a week. So do you actually brush Casey's teeth and everything?
So Casey just turned 3, so she's getting ready for her first dental visit. So for her beginning stages, I used to use my finger and just rub a little in her mouth to get her used to it, and also to stimulate the circulation in her gums, because we want her teeth to have as much circulation as possible to help the defenses, the natural defense system that the dog already has.
And probably also want to get the dog used to having your fingers in its mouth too. I know my old dog wouldn't put up with that nonsense.
Right, it helps if you start in that fashion.
Yeah.
And then there are other things that can help, like there are a lot of natural products and there are a lot of commercial products.
Okay.
So I'm a fan of having more than one plan. So I use a dental chew like an Orabone. This Orabone I love because it has little ridges on it. There's a patent pending shape that helps
really kind of get in there
and scrape a lot of that plaque and tartar off of their teeth. And then there's also brushing, which is a wonderful thing. Just a quick toothbrush. There's a company, quite a few companies. I like this one. You actually put the paste on and just brush them, just like you normally brush your own teeth. Rinse them out, and that's okay if they ingest a little bit of that. I know, a little tiny dog toothbrush. And she's really good about it, and most dogs are really good about it if you just start slowly and don't just throw the toothbrush in.
Just don't start going in there. Now, one of the things I've seen on the market is those greenies.
Yes.
Do you recommend those at all too, or are those worthwhile? Because that's like kind of a breath freshener and cleaner as well.
Correct. So I'm not going to say any yes or no to any particular one, but I am going to say I choose ones that have less sugar content, because sugar causes cavities, and if you're putting sugar in the dog's mouth while you're trying to clean them, it's not always such a great thing.
Okay.
So I do love that, and I also love the shape of the Orabones, because so these are a similar product, but I like them. They're less sugar, better scraping ability, because you're really scraping that tartar off the teeth.
She looks like she has great teeth right there already.
She does. Want to see? I wish she could smile for you, but she's not trained to smile. Look at those pretty pearlies. Yes, she has beautiful teeth.
White. Yes.
Yes. So we use a lot of things that help scrape that. Hi, baby. It's Casey off. Help scrape that tartar and that slime that builds up that the bacteria actually gets into, and it's the bacteria that's the bad guy. The bacteria is what we're trying to fight. That actually gets in between the gum and the tooth, and it starts an infection, and that infection is what then gets into the bloodstream and gets down to our dog's heart and lungs and causes a lot of trouble, and also, as I mentioned, shortens their lifespan.
Yeah, and then also probably contributes to, I know dogs aren't supposed to have the peachiest breath in the world, but I mean, can probably really make it stand out then too, right?
Yes, and I look for ones that have parsley, different things, and mint, and these also have that. These organic compounds are in a lot of these dog dental products, which helps their breath smell minty fresh.
Well, Geralyn, we appreciate you being over here. Casey, you did such a good job today. Can I get some pets, some love here today? Wonderful job. Thank you very much for being here.
Yes, thank you, and make sure that you put that dental pet health in your calendar. It is something to focus on more than just once a month.
I'm going to just pet him rest of the day. All right.